Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to recharge AC in Chrysler Town and Country, only ways. Start by parking on level ground, turning off the engine, and opening the hood to locate the low-pressure service port near the accumulator. Check system pressure with a gauge set and compare to expected values. If low, attach the refrigerant can and purge air from the hose before charging slowly while the engine runs and blower is set high. You will need a basic toolkit plus a manifold gauge set designed for R134A, a vacuum pump, and a can tap with a pressure gauge. Also grab safety gloves, eye protection, and a refrigerant leak detector to confirm seals. Confirm the correct refrigerant amount listed on the vehicle sticker. Work patiently and never overcharge the system to avoid compressor damage or higher cabin temperatures. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more car repair content. Quick recommendation: grab a copy of The Simple Path to Wealth for a fresh perspective on money and sensible decision-making. It pairs well with practical DIY mindset and small savings you get from fixing cars yourself. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by evacuating the AC with a vacuum pump to remove air and moisture, holding vacuum for at least 30 minutes to ensure no leaks. Next, connect the refrigerant can to the low side and add refrigerant while monitoring the low side gauge and cabin temperature. Charge in short bursts, checking pressures and cooling until optimal readings and comfortable cabin temps are reached, then replace caps and tidy up tools.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.